Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I got something super exciting in the mailbox, a package. So if you want to know what's inside this bad boy, then keep watching. Okay, let's crack this thing open and I will show you guys what I bought. Urban Decay was having a sale on quite a few of their Naked palettes, and I have forever wanted the Naked Smoky palette, and it was on sale for, I want to say $17, $20, right around there. Nope, I was wrong. I got this for $27. A huge chunk off. I actually went to Urban Decay for a different palette, and since this one was on sale, I just had to pick it up too. I was really on the Urban Decay site to get the new Naked Reloaded palette. The packaging on this is actually super pretty. So I heard about this palette and I jumped right online and I purchased it before it was even out in stores. Through the whole checking out process, I thought that I had paid for 2-day shipping, and so I was expecting to get this in 2 days, and it took like a week and some days for this to get here. So that was a little disappointing, but just first off the bat, looking at this, the outside package is very beautiful. Orchids are my favorite flower, and there are orchids on the front of this palette, and their colors are so beautiful. I do not have the original Naked palette, and this is like the reboot of the original palette. So I was sad to see that one go because I missed the boat completely on that one. So I was not going to miss the boat on this one. So the Naked Reloaded has 12 new eyeshadow colors. The back of it says that they are modernized must-have neutrals with a whole new edge. With 12 can't live without nudes. Let's see what this thing really looks like. So the orchids are still on the front of this palette, which I really like, but the palette is like not a makeup palette I've ever felt before. It's fabric, but it's also like padded, squishy. It's definitely very interesting. I love it. The packaging is just very classy. I am very impressed with this. Besides all the beautiful colors, one of the things that I noticed they did do, and I read about this online, they took the two end colors and made them bigger because they are supposed to be more used colors. So the two ends are going to be bigger than the rest of the colors in the palette. So now that I've looked at this palette a little more, I've noticed that it's not just the pans on both sides that are bigger, it's actually the two pans on each side are bigger. So if you look at this one is actually really big. This one goes down a size a little bit, and then these ones are all the normal size. So I really like how they did this just because it's subtle enough that you don't notice it when you first look. I mean, I didn't notice that these two colors were a different size than the rest of them. I did notice the outer colors were bigger, but it's just so subtle and you're getting more product, but it's not like a mishmatched, but it's not a mismatch of a bunch of pans in one palette. It's very uniformed and a very good idea. The downside to this palette is that it does not come with a makeup brush. All of the other Naked palettes that I own all come with the dual-ended makeup brush, and that is kind of a letdown. I really utilize that brush a lot, and when I'm traveling it makes it so easy to do a quick simple look with just the palette. I do really like the colors in this palette. The Naked Reloaded palette is pretty much all warm colors. I know some people were kind of upset with that just because the original Naked palette had a lot of cool colors in it, and this is supposed to be like a redone version of that palette, which isn't showing any cool colors. But personally, I love warm colors. This is just perfect for me. Where's the packaging? Let's read this. So there's soft mattes, satin, dimensional sparkles, and metallic shimmer. So there's 4 different kinds of eyeshadows in here. Bucked is gonna be like a matte. Boundaries is gonna be like a shimmer, right? Oh man, I have no idea. They're just beautiful. Burn just seems so pretty. So let's burn. I will swatch all of these for you guys. I just have long sleeves on right now, so I can't. So first we're going to be swatching Bride. That's very light on my skin. I do have very light skin though. Next is Barely Baked. Oh, that is so pretty. Then Angel Fire. Retro. Ooh, that's super pigmented. Reputation. Burn, which I already swatched, but I really love this color. Endgame. Dreamweaver. Distilled. Bucked. Boundaries. And last, Blur. That's another really light shade. I wish I didn't have eye makeup on right now so that I could go and try all these colors out. As of right now, my first impressions with the palette, I love it. Sad there's no brush. The colors are beautiful, but overall I'm very excited to have this in my collection now. And I cannot wait to do some makeup tutorials and show you guys how I'm gonna use this. Well guys, that was my first impressions of the new Naked Reloaded palette, which is now available in stores for everyone to go pick up. If you guys wanna see a makeup look done with this palette, give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you are highly interested in that. And if you guys are interested in seeing my first impressions of the Naked Smoky palette, I will link that video down below for you guys to watch. I knew I wasn't gonna hate this palette just because I am in love with the Naked palettes, so that's not really a shocker. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up down below, share it with a friend, and make sure to subscribe. I put out 2 new videos every week, so I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!